Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to turn off forward edge interior lights. First, find the overhead console, usually near your rearview mirror. You'll see several buttons there. One large button typically controls all the dome lights at once. Pressing it will cycle the lights on and off. For individual reading or map lights, look for smaller buttons next to the main one. These allow you to control specific lights without affecting the others. It's quite straightforward once you know where to look. Sometimes, interior lights stay on because a door isn't fully closed. Always double-check all doors, including the trunk or lift gate, to ensure they are latched securely. Another common control point is the dimmer switch, usually located on your dashboard near the headlight controls. This rotary dial not only adjusts your dashboard brightness, but often has a setting that controls the interior lights. Turn it all the way down to completely switch off the interior lights. If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out. On another note, after all this talk about turning things off, let's talk about turning on some healthy habits. Make meal prep a breeze with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized. Check the description below for the link to these containers and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Your forward edge might also have advanced lighting settings accessible through the infotainment system. Navigate to the Vehicle Settings menu, then look for lighting options. Here, you can often adjust things like the courtesy lamp delay, which determines how long interior lights stay on after you close the doors. You might also find an option to disable approach lighting if your lights are coming on when you simply walk near the car. Customizing these settings gives you more control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.